In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPad using iTunes. So I'm going to show you two different methods on how to do this, and this will work on both an unlocked and a locked iPad. Now, the very first step is you need to come over to your computer. Now, I'm on a Windows computer, but this will also work on a Mac as well. So what we're going to do is just go and open up the Microsoft Store, and you need to go and download the iTunes app. So if you haven't already downloaded this on your computer, just click on the app from the list of options, and you can go and install and download it from here. Now, once it's finished downloading, just click on Open, and then you should be able to see the iTunes app like this. Now, to go and reset the iPad, there's two different methods on how to do this. So method number one is you can just come over to your iPad like this, and if your iPad is unlocked and you know the passcode to your iPad, you can just go and type in the passcode like so. You can then grab a USB-C cable and plug one end into the iPad and the other end into your laptop or computer. Now, once you've connected your iPad, you may get a trust message on the iPad that you need to go and accept. Now, if you don't see the connection pop up on your computer or iPad, then go and load up the settings on your iPad. In the left-hand side, scroll down and click on General. Scroll down again to Transfer or Reset iPad. Click on Reset and press Reset Location and Privacy. And just click on the Reset button to go and reset these settings. You can then disconnect the USB-C cable from your iPad and try reconnecting it into the device, and you should see the message Trust this computer. Go and click on Trust. Now, once you've done this, head back over to iTunes and you should be able to see your iPad from the left-hand side. Now just go and click on the iPad icon in the top left-hand side. You're then going to see this window here. Click on Restore iPad, and it will say, do you want to back up the settings for the iPad before restoring the software? We're just going to click on Don't Back Up, and you can go through the steps to reset your iPad. Now, if this isn't working or your iPad is locked, then I'll show you another way on how to do this. So what we're going to do is come over to the iPad. Now, what you need to do is make sure your iPad is turned on and also make sure it's connected to your laptop using a USB-C cable. We're then going to perform the following key combination. You need to press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the top right-hand side of the iPad. So let's go and do this together now. We're going to quickly tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button on the top right-hand side. Now you need to keep holding this button for around about 45 seconds. So eventually the screen is going to go black. Just continue to hold this button down. Now after about 10 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. That's when you can go and release this button, and this will take you over to the iPad recovery screen. Now, as long as you have iTunes open, you'll see this page on your iTunes, and all you need to do is go and click on this Restore button, and you can go through the steps to reset and restore your iPad. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.